Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. This video is about unboxing boAt Watch Xtend. I got this watch at 2200 rupees in Amazon. So this is the watch here. It looks really cool. It has 1.69-inch touch display, a 5 ATM water resistant design, 14 active sports modes and 50 watch faces. Let's see what is inside the box. So we have a charging cable here. We can use our charger adapter and we have to plug in using this cable. And we have the boAt sticker here and warranty card, some information about the gadget, etc. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.